Good evening, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's episode will be on that Murphy Face failed all the questions put before him yesterday in one of his episodes tagged genocide in Benin Empire. Also, I would like to inform you, my viewers, that Murphy Face failed all the questions put to him by a member of the royal family. And I wish to inform you too that from now on, most of my episode will now be done in Pidgin English. The reason for this is to inform those followers that they should desist from following him or listening to him or watching him, because Murphy Face is doing them no good. He's trying to use them, waste their time, promising them of a revolution in Nigeria, a violent one, of course. So I, as a member of the royal family too, would like to do this program in Pidgin, and further videos will now be done in Pidgin English to enable those followers understand it. Quite some time I have taken time out to listen to him, and I watch those who comment and those who normally give him some pennies are not educated from their commentaries and their antics. So my people, my viewers, I hope you bear with me. My people, the followers of Murphy Face, wherever you are, please can you come forward or switch and watch this program. Murphy Face, na so lie na im dey tell una. Murphy Face will turn that story because he wan tell una gossip story. He go begin to tell lies so that make una begin to give am money. The one we do last night, yesterday, he talk say genocide in Benin Empire. When he talk, he talk like say slave trade and everything, divert everything to slave trade. Then a member of the royal family, Oba of Benin, wey dey UK, come phone am, ask am 5 questions. The 5 questions wey dem ask Murphy Face, he no fit talk any one. He no fit answer any one. He no even dey consis ten t. He go jump from one subject to another. Everything yesterday prove say Murphy Face no know wetin he dey talk. All na lies. Number 1 question wey dem put to am, Murphy Face talk say the Oba of Benin come pack soldiers from Yoruba land. Oromiyan pack soldiers come fight Benin people, come dislodge Igodo Migodo. Then he begin talk, he jump from the subject, he go enter, they talk about slave trade. Now the Oba, when he talk and finish, he go ask one of him illiterate secretary, wey no know him left to right. That one no even sabi read. I think everybody dey say when he dey read am. When he read am finish, Murphy Face begin dey explain wetin not the book. They talk like overbeating war prisoner, like all those fake pastors they do. Go say read on. Na the Oba of Benin brother come phone. He ask am, which war wey Oromia carry come Benin and Ife wey be say e dislodge Ogiame, Mofiface no fit answer am. E go talk go up, e go talk go down. E talk am, then the next he begin the verse. E no fit answer am. He failed the question. He failed everything. And I dey here to explain everything. For my previous video, the ones wey I don do before, I don talk am say no war wey dem fight. Ikaladera, wey be the last son of Owodo, King Owodo, na him go Ife, wey go find Providence. When he reach there, the people no know who he be. When they see am say na foreigner. So that he change his name to Izoduwa. From Izoduwa, Yoruba people not fit pronounce Izoduwa because they not get Z for their alphabet. They corrupt, Yoruba people corrupt Izoduwa to be Oduduwa. When they reach there, then discuss fluently, nothing happened. As at that time, no history talk say Benin and Ife get relationship or trade relationship or economic relationship, nothing like that. These people spoke Benin to Oduduwa. Otherwise, history book not tell us, so interpreter did there, we interpret the whole thing. So, after some more explanation, Oduduwa send a Pikin, which they call Oromia. That Pikin now Mononya, where they change to Oromia again, because na different dialect. People not fit explain. So, Oromia come Benin. Before he left, he came to Benin and he built them built palace for him for Sama. After some time, he observed and said the people still they make noise, especially Ogiame, wey talk say no go gree make he enter Benin. Ogiame no get blue blood, and Ogiame no be senior son of Ogiso Owodo, when I refer to just now as King Owodo. So after some time, he make some peace where he go feel rich, then he born Pikin. Before he born Pikin, he called the people say he want go back to Ife. He don't see and say these people they hard to for person will come from far distance we they're not born here because them born out for Ife not go feel rule Benin people. Now I fall in love with the daughter of Emide. I mean, I fall in love with daughter of the Duke of Ogego. The name of the woman now Emide. Emide born Pikin. Before Emide born the Pikin, Oromia don't come out go Ife. I go repeat this one again. Before them born this Pikin, where then they call her Weka, Oromia don't go back to Ife. Now when the Pikin don't grow, it don't reach the time to take talk, he not fit talk. Now he send 7 marbles. Beneath they call them Ahwe, be like rubber seed the way we play those days. So he send them, make them go give the boy, and the boy throw that Ahwe, the marble. He hit target. Now he say Owomika. So from there on, the boy begin start to the talk. Now that Owomika, they come corrupt to Eweka. That's number 1. So Mofiface talk say now Oromia carry war come Benin, come fight. He can't go back. So if Oromia carry war come Benin, come fight, dismantle Ogiamie, build palace, come dey live there. Na wetin come stop Ogiamie people if Oromia to true come fight war there? What then now stop Oromia? Stop Ogiamie for not going to kill the boy child, the boy king, not to kill the boy king, Eweka, because Eweka never too old, na still small baby boy king. And Oromia na only, if they calculate na only 3 years. Now Oromia stay for Benin. It was very short-lived. Now recently, 4 years ago, when the present Oba, the current Oba, come count in reign journal, we come make 40th Oba. Because say in reign short and he not die for Benin, he go back, neither not be the counter as one of the Oba since. So the question where I want to ask for this number one issue, where they give am so, where the man still ask am yesterday, after I ask am say, which war where Oromia carry come, where come fight for Benin? Because history book not tell us say Yoruba people carry war, come fight for Benin. Nowhere in history, in our history book or in our history, say Yoruba people, Ife people and Benin people fight war. Nothing like that. Secondly, if there was something like that, why it be say when Oromia go, Benin people or Ogiamie no go kill the boy will never grow well, no go vex kill the boy, make it not become Oba. So most of una wey dey follow Murphy Face, una just dey follow blindly. Now make me talk say una be uneducated, illiterate. Una not dey ask question. No question wey una go ask. Only one go just talk. When better people want talk, it go take only one eye dey talk. It not go let person talk. Even when you make comment, you will go remove am. Then people begin there, where they follow and go begin to insult people. Me, I don't know how una will behave like that at all. Why people go to behave like that? Because it go to talk about other tribes, the people will make up Edoid, will make Edo people. Make we know, Benin different from Edo. Edo na Edoid. All those people, Isha, Urobo, Shekiri, Afema, Onwa, when you put them together, then they call them Edoid, as the modern day call am so. So, Benin people, when Oromia come out, they not go kill Eweka. That one shows say no war where Oromia come fight for Benin. There was no war before they come get the second dynasty. I think una dey understand me. Question una go ask am. Mona ask am again, those followers. Which war Oromia or Ife people come fight for Benin will bring the second dynasty? None. Other than say Benin people know say their pikin Kaladera don't turn to Oduduwa there. Even the Yorubas, I don't first talk am before. The Yorubas not even get history of Oduduwa. We the Benin, we know a bit more than the Yorubas of who Oduduwa was, or of who Oduduwa is. We know her past Yoruba people. And when we try to talk, and Yoruba people will say Oduduwa come from sky with 400 deities. He carry 400 juju come from sky, which modern historian go call mythology. May we leave that side. When they say we catch them for the other side, say now the contact say it come from east. If you look at east, north of east of Ife, east of Ife, na Benin. So when they don't do the location, they say east of Ife na Benin. Yoruba people change them again, say na far east. Whereas when Oduduwa, when Ikaladeran reached there, changed the name to Izoduwa, from Izoduwa to Oduduwa. The reason be say I don't first explain that one. Izoduwa, that's a Benin word. Yoruba people, again, our own scientific thinking now. Yoruba people not get Z, letter Z for their alphabet. So it is possible that because they don't have Z, now they can't change it to Oduduwa. That's one proof. Then the second proof, they say, this not somebody who's supposed to be prince, heir apparent for Benin, for Igodo. Definitely, then they dress, anybody will be prince or anything, then they dress differently. Either I go get round brass for his leg, or the kind things we go do in body, go make him a prince. All those features feel make when Yoruba people call say their Oba come from sky. More so when Ikaladera or Oduduwa go talk say he come from Ogiso. Ogiso means the king, the leader will come from sky. So Yoruba people feel corrupt and say he come from sky. So which one they come to say now mythology say it come from 400, it come from sky from 480s. Recall, make una remember, Ogiso na the king where we get for Benin before Oromia. If when Yoruba come find Ikaladera, who is now Oduduwa, Izoduwa, corrupted to Oduduwa, tell them say, in family, now king will come from sky. Yoruba people may have corrupted that to me, he fall from the sky with 400 deities. That's two proof there. Three again, say he come from east. If you go geographical location today, east of Ife, na Benin. Then when they say we catch them, say na talk say na east he come from, east na Benin, they can't say far east, Labrodo. No evidence to prove that. They've done research to go see whether Ife, they Saudi Arabia or Mecca, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Besides, if Oduduwa truly come from Ife, come from Saudi Arabia, why Oduduwa come to practice African traditional religion? He's supposed to be Muslim, not a Muslim. So all these now things today, the scientific evidence, where they check for modern people who read book, who do history, go take check. Oduduwa, if na Labrador or be America now he come from, Oduduwa is supposed to be a Muslim. Because if you judge the time when Muhammad take hear voice to the time when they take form Ife, it takes some time pass. So all those na things wey Murphy Face no know because he no go school. This na street boy. In Murphy Face, monkey face, even talk and say, in a street boy, he grow for street, he no go school. Even when he dey talk, he go say, he go ask una say they call this one. He no go. So I go come read book where he got ever write. They come to teach una wey dey Europe. Make una ask una self, people wey dey follow Murphy Face. Those kind of people, they just supposed to go pack una. Go put for whether na Mediterranean Sea, make a fish eat una. Because una no know what una dey talk, una no know who una dey follow. You come Europe, even the people wey come colonize Benin, colonize Nigeria, wey even form Nigeria, na the territory una dey. Una go dey wait for one small boy wey grow from street, wey begin dey do pocket picker, make come dey teach una history of Benin, wey papa no teach am. If papa disown her, let alone say papa go talk to her. So this na question wey una supposed to dey ask am. Say if una really get bro, na for ask am say, Murphy Face, wait o. Now which language? When the people of Godo go Ife, the Oba Bini brother, he talking yesterday, he asked Murphy Face yesterday, and that yesterday, na on the 5th of June, 5th of June, yesterday night, he asked him, say which language they speak, which war wey Ife fight with Benin. Since when me dey read history, me I never read history wey Ife and Benin people Godo fight. Nothing like that. That one pass. Then number 2, the second question wey the Oba Benin brother ask Murphy Face yesterday say, which language when the Godo people reach Ife ask Oduduwa, ask the Oduduwa, Murphy Face go jump go there, he go jump go the other side, he go talk like go up, he go talk like go down. Then the next thing, he begin the verse, begin to say, I know my history. If I don't know, I could go ask my Okagbe and all those rubbish. Yet, the followers, people who they follow and not see and say, you no fit answer any question. That one not sure say Murphy Face they talk lie. That one not tell you na say Murphy Face na liar, say just dey talk and make e reap una money. And una self know say Murphy Face not dey work. Na babysitter na dey do following pikin wey e born for am. E not dey work. That money wey na dey donate for am, when dem go reach house, when the program don finish, e go give some to assistant secretary, people wey near am, like one wey dem dey call Clement Pa. That one na another thief. Then dem go share the money. E no dey pay me if una dey give money if e dey make una laugh, if dey make una happy. Jolly well and good. E no concern me. But if I sit down dey look all of una and not talk put, e go be like say I just leave una. E go be like the thing go dey pay me. Say somebody dey talk lie, and here these are my people, they just so stupid to dey listen to an idiot wey not knowing right to left, and they call am their history, and at the same time to the detriment of my people and our revered Oba. It's painful. It is painful. Nobody go keep quiet. Make small pikin begin dey throw stone to his vineyard. They collect people money. They can't collect people money, all for the sake he want live. And all of una wey dey follow am, una dey support am. Since last year, Murphy Face don dey tell you say dem go Benin, dem go cause, na so dem go do, na so dem no go do, dem go destroy the Oba of Benin palace. That na abomination. I spit. You understand? E never reach one na go come. Na so now just talk am 10 years go reach. I go fit bet till una die. Even if una children come again start am over, una no go fit. Una no go fit get that mind, the power to carry your right hand foot to go to Benin. You will not go. You don't have the wherewithal. You are all lying, deceiving yourself. Happy. A story. If una no so na get 5 heads or 10 heads, we don dey wait for una since. Make una come Benin, come dey claim una papa, una bastard papa land. Una no come. Make una come now. Make una come Benin. E dey there, Obasidan there back gidigba. Na in territory, na God-given territory. Make una come take am now. Murphy Face wey dey talk to now is not a member of Igodo. He's not even a member of a family of Ogiamie. His name is his papa name na Edokpolo. Uji, Murphy. His papa denounce am for palace, pop and play straight. Say, not being born, I ain't not born again. You know what it be that? That na Osu outcast. they don't reject am because say he's now feeling inferior. He do one YouTube channel, do 2, do 3, do 5. Don't say people they follow am. He just dey use am as a hobby. He not even dey think of una. Una understand? So Mofifface no fit explain the language. So make I throw some more light on that. If Igodo not get a relationship with Ife, we not deny am. Our king, our prince, we run go there, who later became the president. I mean the king, Oduduwa. Now they go ask for, and when they reach there, history not tell us say they use interpreter. They spoke Bini, simple as ABCD. That's what modern historian will say. Here's a situation, if a far place, that time don't fit take about 10 weeks to waka go Ife. So, in not the history say, before Duduwa say Benin people speak Yoruba, unless Mofifface would like to explain that to now, where they believe and where they follow am. Make it tell una say, when you go to Migodo Day, that they speak Yoruba, where they go to speak with Oduduwa. Mofifface fed all the questions. I swear, he fed all of them. Not fit answer am. Then the next thing, just change, it begin aggressive. What is the meaning of Edo? Then a question. They ask you question you could not answer. The man tell am say, he want tell am how Edo come about, what they call am. Say Edo na Oba Ewari name one slave boy who saved his life, Edo. And this modern day, they call am Edoid. And this na people, Edo come mean say, all those tribes like Ishan, Urobo, Isoko, Afema, if you group them together around Edo, don't come be Edo. If you group them together, they will be called Edo. The Benin's different. So the Oba of Benin tried to even call them, give them a good name, call them say that they are children. Whereas they cohabitated, they are the same. So my appeal to you today, I appeal to all those people where they follow, all those people where they believe in ideology. I beg, make una not waste una precious time. Make una not waste una money. Follow am. If una want listen to the right way, you want know your history, there are many books, there are many contributions, there are many resources wey dey ground for you to read. If you truly get brain, you too go put 1 + 1 together to make am. Not be Mofifface go tell you your history where you go fight war. Not be Mofifface go tell you where you go fight war. So, my people, I get many things when I go tell you. I get many things when I go tell you now. When it comes to this history, my next edition, I go concentrate and explain how Ikwere people come. Ikwere people, then they call them before Iwuriona. How everybody come move, go form other localities. For now, I beg, I appeal to you people. Make una not follow Mofifface again. Make una not support am again. Make una not give am money again. Make una leave am make go take head, carry the way it cost for court. Don't give him any money. I not see how one small boy will be babysitter go fit follow my Oba drag for court. Court days on the 17th, and we all know wetin go happen. We go all know whether na him get this Germany or na people get am. The human sacrifice wey dey talk about 5,000 years or 3,500 years before Jesus was even born, people dey do human sacrifice. E dey Bible wey dem even instruct one man, Abraham, make go kill him pikin for am. Sacrifice. E no do. It's been happening. Ancient Benin is not an exception. Ancient Benin, yes, I no go deny am. Such a thing fit happen because that na the thing wey dem dey practice those days to purify the land. Some countries, even Britain, wey come talk say dem see human sacrifice. Britain, before Romans attack Britain, they discovered say they were practicing human sacrifice. The Druid, the Celtic, we read them because Murphy Face not go school, he not know this thing, because they use am to take spike Benin people. Even Germany, America, Rome, all the countries in Europe, they all practice human sacrifice. All these countries wey dey Europe so, they all practice human sacrifice. The Benin people practice human sacrifice, just that the European did. So now which one come be the one wey Murphy Face dey sell all the time, dey talk, dey take am collect people money? Murphy Face na fool, e no go school. For people make dem go dey listen to am, dey talk about say Murphy Face na our Ogiso. First of all, he not be member of the Ogiso family. He not be member of Ogiamie. Some people just so stupid, they hail am, they praise am. So Ogiso I talk by. I'm not jealous am, but it is good I say the truth. I put the story in a proper perspective so that everybody go get a fuller picture of it. He's a liar. Mona not dey give am money. Mona not dey praise am. That guy is causing more harm, more damages, and at the same time he dey dig in grave. Most of the time they hear say, they talk say, they swear for I not kill am, make them wait. Wetin Murphy Face not know say, as this court process be so, for court, sometimes when you go court, then get queue. They'll get backlog, queue go dey. Na so juju dey take operate. In dey queue, when the time reach, when he dey sleep, they'll wake am up, then go ask question. Then ask the other side, the other party, question too. So they go make their judgment. If not to punish the person, juju go punish am. Na so juju matter be, and na so court matter be. Na so God is still dey take operate. Sometimes some people go swear for person, go do juju for person, go say it not work. The reason be say, then get queue, then get time. When your time reach, they'll judge am. If you wrong, they go punish you. If you not wrong, they go leave you. That night wey we take am me say, you go say I cause, I do how many things, the thing not work. Because the person not do you anything. Murphy Face, I warn you today, stop all this nonsense. Go and work. One of the reasons where everybody come up for Nigeria, come from different countries, come work for UK, now to earn money, make them take help family wey dey back home. Make them take help people wey dey back home. You come now, you not work, you dey lick oyibo toto for nothing, then you go put glass for eye, dey dress like Oba, come dey chant rubbish. Your own don't finish. You are finished. If at the age, maybe you dey about 30-something years now, you not work, you not get career, you not get things wey don't take judge you. Now which time you come to work? Then all you do Casanova, they burn full everywhere. Eh? First of all, now one effect where you get now, you not go fit enter Benin again. That one don't finish for this life. And this Europe where you did so, this Germany where you did so, now so you go still be. Eh? Could you enter social media, begin to talk about Benin people practice human sacrifice. Germany, everybody, every countries for Europe, they all practice human sacrifice. I not deny say Benin not practice too, because almost countries for the whole world practice human sacrifice. The Oyibo people will come, say them see their papa head, see human sacrifice full everywhere. They practice well. I don't fit tell you now. Go check the story of the Celtic, check the story of the Druid. All of them do juju before. You not go school to know all those ones. You just carry a book, just begin to talk rubbish, read the man book, come to talk. First of all, you not go sit down, look and say, this is a where we dey talk so. Since we come and don't die, if they put all the years together, now about 120 years. 120 years, it never take. Even a Voram episode, now about 130 years, if you don't reach, you never even reach. So now that one, now you take judge the whole history of people we don't survive, we don't die. Come to talk about the Ife relationship again. The Benin people don't get 31 Ogiso before Oduduwa episode. 31 Ogiso. In a way, we don't decivilize past these people before the episode come. If to say we not know say somebody was supposed to be the Oba, it dey Ife, wetin go make us go there? From the 31 Ogiso, we not go see somebody there where we go put. I don't first explainer on this episode about Benin Ife relationship. There is no time where we take deny say we not get a relationship. We get, and that relationship now because of Oduduwa. And when they talk about Oromiyan, you cannot remove Oduduwa. Oromiyan na the son, Oduduwa na the father. The two must be discussed. You cannot talk about Oromiyan and leave Oduduwa alone. I talk and go reach the point, say, Oba Ewedo, na he fight Ogiamie, wey say he no go gree make the Oba prevail for Benin. And not be him. He's a member of the family. And I explain us how the fight take happen. That fight na Sakmomba Road dem fight am. Unueru there. Na be the station where the person will lead the war of Benin and Ogiamie. And they won the war. Ogiamie was made to crawl on his knees to St. Matthew's, the first primary school for Benin. And there they said to say, if we continue with this fight, this war, a lot of blood go flow. Now then give her one place there, make it be away for Utata, not be even Benin. So, me I don't know wetin Murphy Face and in people and in cohort they drag. Matter is settled. Wetin I want tell this una followers, especially that secretary, where they phone come, where they read book, and not those people where they read come. If una know so una get 5 heads, 10 heads, make una dey talk una name come out. I mean, people wey ready to fight for their cause, dem go talk their name, dem go talk where their family house dey for Benin. Make dem come ask dem, make dem come substantiate if dem no fit travel. And if una get 5 or 10 years, make una come Benin now, una come look for now, una come take una fatherland. Cowards. Cowards. Make una come. Benin people, they wait for una. It gets some idiot where they follow and all those Ishans and Onwa people. They not be Benin, they not be this, they not be that. No, you don't know your history. You begin to argue. Leave them out of it. Make una come now. The only people wey fit wey win Benin people for war na be the British. For the whole of that Nigeria, the whole of that West Africa, no country fit win Benin people for war. We fight am, go reach Volta region, go pass Focados river. Na Benin people territory. When we conquer them, some of the bad ones, then go sell them as slaves. We did. As a Nogi of United Kingdom, yes, we did. This not time, no prison. There's nothing like prison. There's nothing like public execution. We sold them all out. Even Europeans did it too. Then, the ancient Europe. So when country, a time of imperialism, when you win certain territory, now you get on, now you go do on. The good things where we did, or the bad thing where we did, we not allow, the Benin people not allow people with them conquer, make them speak, people with them conquer, make them speak Benin language, because we consider it too sacred. So special. That's not the reason, say, Benin, a lot of these people where we conquer these territories, they know they speak Benin. Even then, these people, we not allow them speak, and we even the quarrel with ourselves, say we should have allowed them to be speaking Benin. And nobody knows, say, British go come win us for war. The British people, when they were living, they punish us so much. They put us on that western region, come make us minority. The Yoruba people start with their tribalistic, this thing where they their gene, they their blood. Come they punish us, come they do us as the way they like, even they force us to speak Yoruba. Some part for Edo North, all those are one. Some of them they still they speak Yoruba today because of the small time where British still live with them, say they on that western region. That not the only time we know say how these Yoruba people be. So there's some miscreant for Yoruba will come they try to turn the history. Sometimes they will tell say we come from Yoruba. Later don't come change again, say the Yoruba, we gave you the Yoruba. Whereas now Benin people give una king. I don't first explain how it be. Una not even get the history of una Yoruba. For Oduduwa na he come from Saudi Arabia. Oduduwa was supposed to be a Muslim, which is not. He practice African traditional religion. Na Juju, Ifa. There will be a time. I think my next edition, I go explain how all these different tribes take break away. Not necessarily say they sell them as slave or they kill them or anything. Way more face they settle now to collect you people money, to collect una money. There will be a time I will come step by step. I will tell you now the story. People from present day Port Harcourt, people from present day Delta, we are one. We are one. The reason that they speak other different religion, I go explain that to now. The British people make the greatest empire, the biggest and the largest, go reach Ghana. They made us minority. We formed Lagos. We created Lagos. The name we gave to Lagos is Eko. Eko is not Yoruba name. It's Bini. Eko means camp. If we can't meet people there, we can't meet people for Lagos, why we go name am Eko? One of our Oba even trained with Portuguese. Now I use that place as a camp for to stop, for rest and regroup before moving on. The Ga people not quarrel, they not follow us fight. The Togo, the Benin, the Togolese and the Benin, Republic of Benin people, not follow us quarrel, say we conquer them. Now one small rat go come Germany, where be say they even committed the worst atrocities on earth. You sit down there, begin to talk. Human sacrifice slaves. Germany do all those ones. Fear go let you sit down, they write, they talk all the story about Germany. Aswa gile. Eye begwe. Your time is finished. Your time is up. Murphy Face. Make you stop all the lies. Stop inciting, condemn people against the Benin. I have warned you, and I tell you say today, if una know say una get 5 heads, make una come Benin. Make una come Benin, come demand what una want. And for the very best of luck, I think it is time now we are working towards it with the Benin descendant in diaspora. We are working on it so that our Oba is getting to the time, the great consequence will soon come, that all the Igbos should leave Benin. And those Fulani as well, it has come. Because I hear information say Nnamdi Kanu of the Biafra nuisance has recognized you, Murphy Face. They call you Godo. If we hear that kind of pronunciation again, or the pronouncement again, I swear to God, all the Igbos from forestry, go reach Evaike, from everywhere in all our corners of Benin, they will be asked to leave Benin. So, Murphy Face, I warn you, don't you start a war that you cannot finish. We are working on it. And all those who think they cannot claim or ally to the Benin descendant, this is not time of imperialism, but we still have that power till today. We will. Now so these people make noise for naught. When northern people say they give you an ultimatum to leave the place, not be beg una go beg. Not be beg. You people better behave. You better behave. Otherwise, you lot will be asked to go back to where you come from. My people, I think that's why I see I'm rich today. Like I said the other day, please, we will need support. We will need help. Please try and see whatever you can do to support. We need to travel, to carry out more research, to get to know our history, to bring you information on our history. We need to get support to help students of history so that they too can help themselves. Nothing is too small. That they see €1, £1, £5, you can donate. Please, we need it. And also, for us to continue this project where we need to tell people, because history, every day, night and day, do more research to find how everything be, how the history come about. All this event when I dey talk so, my papa not dey there when it happen. Me I not dey there when it happen. My great father not dey there when it happen. Then they contribute journal in a way with the information wey dem know. They come put them together. There's wetin dem dey call scientific research. So my people, nothing too small. If you have anything to do, you feel you can use to help us to take carry out this information, to take carry out the development of our history, please do. Subscribe to us, press the like button for us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. All these are the things you can do for those who not to get am save money to take help us. But if you do bring money, we go take. Now for the sake to take help our history research. We get a lot of people, history students, a lot of people, enthusiasts, we would like to carry out research to find out, go Egypt, go check everything, go Portugal, go check things come out. Now money, now they need. So now so we say and reach today, my people. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the like button for me and subscribe so that anytime I come on, you'll be alerted. Thank you all very much. God bless you now today. Now do well.